writing and grammar. Bea here is working with, what material is that, Bea?
Adverb grammar box.
Okay. What does the adverb grammar box help you to understand?
It identifies the different parts of speech.
Okay. So this material helps the children identify the different parts of speech. There's a sentence card and there are filler cards. So based from the sentence card, they will identify which is the verb, the adverb, the noun, the pronoun, the preposition. What is from? What part of speech is that? Preposition. How about rise? What is that?
Verb.
Aside from that, we have poetry cards which enhances the oral skills of children. We now go to math.